when the bed do they enter body.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how I get a curly afro on my 4C hair, and it's very quick and it's very easy, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So here I'm dividing my hair in 4 sections just so it's easier to work with.
I'm gonna play you like I'm
And here I'm just coming out one section and I'm applying some hair oil, and here I'm using some lavender hair oil. You could always use whichever hair oil you have, it doesn't matter. And I'm applying that onto the hair.
Come my way, come my way, come my way, see, come my way.
So now I'm taking a section from this part. I'm taking a part from this section. And it doesn't have to be too small or too big, just a medium size, but I think I made mine really big. I guess it depends on the kind of afro you're looking to have. If it's a big afro, I'm guessing you have to make some bigger curls, I think. Yeah, and here I'm just using a foaming mousse. I'm applying that onto the hair. And I'm going to be flat twisting that. And if you can't flat twist, you could always braid it down.
I'm gonna play you like I'm Ingoli. When you know your problems are got it. Come my way, come my way, come my way. See, come my way, come my way. Come my way, come my way, see, come my way, come my way.
And then I put some perm rod at the end just to enhance the curl. And that's actually what I'm going to do for the whole hair. So here I'll just show you guys one more time. So I'm taking a part from the section, just the size that I want my, like the size I want my afro to be. Like if I want a big afro, I guess I'll take more hair, and if I want a smaller one, then less hair, I think, that if that makes sense. Now I'm applying some foaming mousse, then I'm combing that out, and then I'll be flat twisting. And you could always make a braid instead of a flat twist if you find it difficult to make flat twists. And then at the end of this, I'm going to be attaching a perm rod.
See, come my way. Give me one, see, mega feel like it. I see a bang thing, yeah, she come my way. I'm gonna play you like I'm Ingoli. When you know your problems are got it. Come my way, come my way, come my way.
The next day.
So I normally have this style on for about a day or even less than a day because it dries up very fast, and I'm not even sure why, because it's flat twisted and that lets in more air. So all I'm doing right now is just taking down the perm rods.
She got no problem when I want to play, but you know me problems I got it. Say she got a real one on the microphone. She don't want no man till she on her own. I don't need no boy when I want to.
And when that is done, I'm going to be using an anti-frizz plain oil, and then I'll be spritzing some of that on my hands just so it's easier to take down the twists. And I'm going to be taking this down really gently so I don't mess up the curl pattern. And it's very easy to take it down too because the twists kind of unravel themselves on the ends. I'm not sure if that makes sense, and it's very relaxing too.
I'm gonna play you like I'm Ingoli. When you know your problems are got it. Come my way, come my way, come my way. See, come my way, come my way. come my way, come my way. See, come my way, come my way.
Yeah, and that's what I'll be doing for the whole hair.
Thunder, give me one sip, mega feel like it. I see a bang thing, yeah, she come my way. I no go play you like I'm in goalie. When you know be problems, I got it. Come my way, come my way, come my way. See, come my way, come my way, come my way, come my way.
And now I'm finally done taking down all the twists, and I'm just spraying some more of the anti-frizz. And the middle part, that's what I hate about this style. Like that part, you have to comb it out really well just to cover that up. It just looks like you're bald in the middle or something. So you have to really comb around there just so you could cover that up, or it could be like that the whole day if you don't comb it out well. But it's still a really nice hairstyle that I like doing because it's very easy and it's quick and it doesn't take a long time to dry. So all you need to do is just comb out really well to cover up the middle part.
Come my way, see, come my way, come my way.
She don't even want gift every day. Say she got no problem when I want to play. But you know the problems I got it.
Yay, I think we got it covered pretty good. Okay, I'm still coming, I guess. And here I'm just looking for a nice style to wear it for the day. Now I guess I was going with some flat twists or some double-sided flat twist. But yeah, that's the end of the video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And have a great week, everyone, and let me know how your week is going in the comment sections.
I see a bang thing, yeah, she come my way. I no go play you like I'm in goalie. When you know be problems, I got it. Come my way, come my way, come my way. See, come my way, come my way, come my way, come my way. See, come my way, come my way. Thunder, give me one sip, mega feel like it. I see a bang thing, yeah, she come my way. I no go play you like I'm in goalie. When you know